Hello everyone, it's been a while, but I'm back with some exciting travel content that I know you're going to love. Let's embark on this amazing journey together. Today I'm taking you to the enchanting Kalba Hanging Garden, a hidden gem in Sharjah, UAE. It boasts stunning greenery and breathtaking views. Come on, join me as I explore the serene and picturesque heaven. I'm traveling from Al Ain, Abu Dhabi to Sharjah. It's almost 2.5 hours journey, but it's actually worth it because you can see the scenery along the way. It's breathtaking. From rugged mountains to tranquil coastal roads. This trip is already off to an incredible start. So let's explore the Hanging Garden in Kalba. Kalba Hanging Garden is a beautiful and unique destination. It is the most popular attracting spot in UAE. It is known for its lush greenery and picturesque landscape. It is perfect spot for nature's lover and adventure seekers. And here comes the closer view of the waterfalls in the Hanging Garden of the Kalba that looks beautiful and stunning with the water flowing over its rocks and the lush greenery. These waterfalls create a soothing sound and a refreshing mist perfect for relaxing. The flow of this clear water forms a peaceful pool at the bottom, making it a great spot to dip your feet. The Kalba Hanging Garden offers a blend of natural beauty and recreation facilities. It has a land over 1.6 million square feet and reaching 28 meters above the sea level. The entry is just 5 dirhams here per person, and there are designated play areas for the children. There are mountain climbing trails and the sports walkway. This is the view from the top mountain. The staircase climbing experience is designed to cater to the adventure seekers with a variety of paths that provide stunning views and connection with nature. The gardens feature 3 levels of mountain climbing paths, each offering different levels of difficulty and spectacular visitors. The garden have dedicated play area for different ages and groups, ensuring that the children of all age can find activities suited to their interest. To enhance the visitor experience, the garden houses multiple dining options including a central restaurant with panoramic view. I want to take a moment to express my gratitude to all of my viewers. Your support and enthusiasm keep me motivated to bring you new and exciting content. If you enjoyed the video, please give it up a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more adventures. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey through the Kalba Hanging Garden.